So Roblox is a game I like it. I play with my friends. I call them. I play with them. So fun to play with them, and I love that. First, I do my homework on my homeworks, like online, then I play. Like, not every day, but like in several days, sometimes I go out and play with my friends. And like, and Saturday and Friday is like I can't do my school. And like how do I say it? Like read without online, only doing a quiz at home. Just like that. And I'm done and I can play anything I want. I become bored. I just like playing my friends. Get a ball pit and the remote in the map. You know, comment down below if you live in this country, let me know in the video. And let's talk back about have 500 games that you can play free. So like just log in and I can't say to play. You can buy Robux. Just go to I can't say like just like go to the Robux store. You can find Robux on my 50 cash or dollars in America or any country. You can buy from their bookstore and cards and use. So that's